the power distribution companies shall be privatized.
Such a privatization will be taken place. Why so many ministers are required?
ये बेहद खतरनाक कानून है।
ये आर्थिक बोझ डालने की बात है और साथ ही साथ जितने भी कर्मचारी हैं जो पावर डिपार्टमेंट में हैं, जो गवर्नमेंट सर्विस कर रहे हैं, वो कहाँ जाएंगे?
अगर हुकूमत पाकिस्तान ने हमारे हुकूक नहीं दिए तो हम इसके लिए हड़ताल करेंगे।
PSI through its affiliates have been running a successful campaign over the last year on electricity at the South Asian level, both in Pakistan to be in particular and in India, against the anti-labor reforms proposed by the respective governments.
Privatization of public services by international financial institutions and corporates. Is it a boon or a bane?
PSI affiliates globally have been running a campaign called the Quality Public Services. The various neoliberal policies have been promoting privatization. Globally, it has failed.
Will shifting of ownership, management and control of public sector benefit workers and consumers?
Electricity workers now are left with reduced wages. The working conditions, I would say, are not even no job security.
These questions are crucial in the new normal times, especially in South Asia. PSI has been against the policies of national governments to promote privatization of electricity, which has led to severe impact in the form of retrenchment of workers, contract labor systems, gender inequality, and unaffordable prices in several parts of the world.
If the electricity board is privatized, the consumers cannot pay the charges. This heavily affects the domestic consumers and other agriculture and hut services.
Public Services International, also known as PSI, has supported the community of electric workers in South Asia since the idea of mass privatization took stem.
आज हम लगातार प्राइवेटाइजेशन के लिए संघर्ष कर रहे हैं और उसमें सफल भी हो रहे हैं, ऐसी बात नहीं है, क्योंकि पब्लिक सेक्टर और गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर दो ही ऐसे सेक्टर हैं जिनसे देश बहुत मजबूत हो सकता है, लेकिन ये सेक्टर भी बहुत मजबूत होना चाहिए।
Of lately, PSI has been spearheading its campaign against electricity privatization in India and led to a protest on the 8th of January 2020. Before it even became a nationally recognized issue, PSI stood by the workers and became a pioneering voice in a deeply devolving situation. Not only did PSI stand behind the workers pan-India, but also helped them win a hard-fought battle in Uttar Pradesh to slow down, if not halt, the privatization of DISCOMs.
PSI and its affiliates are very happy to share that their struggle against privatization in both Pakistan and India on electricity sector has yielded the dividends, whereby the proposed amendment by the Indian government to privatize electricity has been stopped, as well as in Pakistan the efforts by the Pakistan government to infuse privatization in their provinces have been curtailed.
Privatization, especially of electricity, has created unfit labor conditions, uncertainty, and in some isolated cases, chaos.
An Atmanirbhar Bharat needs a coherent policy.
On April 17, 2020, the Power Ministry circulated a draft Electricity Amendment Bill 2020. The current bill proposes major policy amendments and functional amendments to the erstwhile Electricity Act of 2003. This then led to lakhs of power sector employees and engineers turn out and protest against the Electricity Amendment Bill 2020.
अगर हम इनको मजबूत करना चाहते हैं तो इसके लिए पब्लिक ओपिनियन बनानी पड़ेगी। अगर पब्लिक सपोर्ट हमारे साथ नहीं होगा तो हम अच्छी तरह पूर्णतः सफल नहीं हो पाएंगे अपनी इस निजीकरण की लड़ाई में।
In normal times, this potentially could have been the largest protest witnessed at the onset of the year 2020.
The power distribution companies in union territories shall be privatized.
According to a statement by AIPEF, the protesters also vehemently criticized the government's move to privatize power distribution companies in union territories as anti-farmer and anti-domestic consumer, as it paves the way for privatization of the entire power sector in the country. At Peshawar, protests erupted as privatization of electricity, conventional and hydro, began expanding all over Pakistan. Very similar protests have also popped up in Karachi, Islamabad, and have largely been led by the members of WAPDA, All Pakistan WAPDA Hydroelectric Union of the Water and Power Development Authority.
हमारी जद्दोजहद जारी रहेगी जब तक ये निष्कारी का खात्मा नहीं हो जाता, और हम यकीन दिलाते हैं कि PSI पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन जिसके साथ हम एफिलिएटेड हैं, पहले भी हम उसके साथ काम करते रहे हैं, आइंदा भी उसके साथ काम करते रहेंगे। इंशाअल्लाह ताला हमारी जद्दोजहद मजदूर के हकूक़ के लिए, मुल्क के अंदर इक़्तिसादी सनअती तरक्की के लिए और मजदूरों के हकूक़ की पासदारी के लिए जारी और सारी रहेगी।
The members of All Pakistan WAPDA Hydroelectric Workers Union held protest rallies against the proposed privatization of different profitable power distribution companies.
आज हमने पूरे पाकिस्तान में और पूरे सिंध के हर ज़िले और हेडक्वार्टर में हमने एहतजाज रिकॉर्ड कराया है।
मजदूरों के हकूक़ छीनने के बराबर है, इसके खिलाफ आज रैली है।
The PSI affiliates in South Asia have been promoting to stop privatization that is happening by the various governments in South Asia.
They demanded of the government to regularize services of contractual workers and give them significant pay raise, keeping in view the prevailing inflation. Filling of the vacant posts to reduce workload on the existing line staff and avoid fatal incidents. Growing economies like India and Pakistan, unable to cope with demands of growth, fall to prey to privatization infused by international financial institutions and corporates. In addition, the systematic vested private interest leads to power being wrenched out of the hands of the public, both on the basis of employment and for the economic health of consumer.